smart solar path lights. It's a 6-pack. I currently have them connected to my app and my phone so I can control them via an app. They do have solar panels on the top, so that's how it gets power into it. It has a motion sensor here, so you can have these turn on and off with motion, or within the app you can set up all kinds of different routines and everything. You have them turn on at a certain time, turn off at a certain time, all within the app. The colors also are, a million different colors because it's LED. You can make this whatever color you want. Now, the one thing I've really liked about these is, first of all, the size. They are pretty large. If you look, probably up to my knee. And you also have the ability, they come with this hardware, to attach these with a screw. So you could attach these to like a deck. So see, there's like 3 screw holes there. And I really like that. So what that would look like is something like that. But if you don't want to do that, you have just, these little pieces and you can screw these in. We will put these outside a little bit later so you can see them. But I figured I'd show them inside first. All right, so the app has all the features of pretty much every other smart light out there that you've seen on the market. So you can use your home assistant. You could tell it to, Alexa, turn on the lights outside. I have the ability to, I'm not sure which one it is, but it's this one right here. I have the ability to link them all within the app. It comes with a hub to link everything. Or I can do everything individually. So right now I have them set up individually. I can dim them. I also have the ability to go white. I can turn it off. I can turn it on. I can set up a scene if I want. And I can also have it adjust to music if that's something I wanted to do. All right. It also, like I said, you have the sensor on it, so it can turn on and off with a sensor. So if someone walks by it, you have the ability to have that happen during the day or only at night. You have the ability in the app to do the sensor low, medium, or high. So you want it really high or really low. If it's really high, obviously, like little animals and stuff will set it off. So you kind of want to, detect, decide on what you want. Also, your sensor lighting duration, once it does go off, you can stay on for 2 hours, 1 second, 1 minute, whatever you want, all within the app. And of course, you also have your ability to link everything together and have everything do everything at once. You can have one as the sensor, so that you can have this one, see how it just turned on, at the end. And if this one sees motion, it'll turn all the other ones on as well. So that's also an ability in the app as well. So we're going to let these kind of hang out for a little bit. I've had them outside charging. The lights are going down outside. We will be outside in a second. It's now pretty dark out. You can see all my other solar lights are on. And you can see I have them down by my pool. So I can turn off. You're going to see the one out there is going to turn on and off. And we'll get a little bit closer. I can adjust it. Maybe I'll turn this one blue. You can see how good they respond. I'll turn it on and off again. And of course I could do this all in a group or just do one at a time. But yeah, pretty cool. I'll probably set these up with the Alexa app or with the app it comes with and have them turn on and turn off at a certain time. But yeah, pretty nice. Like I said, they are pretty tall. They're looking good.